Ready? Yeah. Ready? Ready? Okay, please don't move and don't be nervous. Here's how we give you a forward change, okay? Don't move, just look at the Marissa. Okay, ready? Okay, ready, Marissa? 1, 2, and 3. Okay, good job, Marissa. Thank you very much. Ready? Yeah. Don't move. Just look at Teresa. Okay, ready, Teresa? 1, 2, and 3. Okay, good job. Thank you. Thank you, Bruce. Over here. Thank you. Yes, good. Hold your cap and your phone. Thank you. Okay. Ready, Teresa? This is the last participant, Teresa. Ready? Okay, don't move. Just look at Teresa. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, good job, Teresa. And for you, this will come from anywhere. You're the last participant here, you know. From Australia. Anybody else from Australia here? Okay, yes, a lot of supporters. Okay, please face the audience. There is one special people for you. Okay? Face the audience. Take a deep breath and close your eyes. Okay, close your eyes and take a deep breath. Ready? Take your shot. Do you want to kiss him, Teresa? Ah! Big kiss from Teresa! Thank you. Okay, and for our participants today, this is a very special day when you can watch our beautiful Bali Agro performance at Bali Theater at 2:30. And for our participants, here we have 3 tickets for you. Okay? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. You might go back to your seats now. Thank you. Okay, we think about our participants and the elephants. Then we have from Teresa by lifting her class. Again, visitors, now you will see our Sumatran elephants holding each at the tail.